What is up, guys? It's Matt from Buffalo Miata Club. Today we got a special video for you. Check this out. We got a lift, guys. We finally got a lift in the shop. It's so beautiful. Look at that thing. Oh, it's awesome, guys. I'm so excited. I had to make a video. The shop is kind of full right now. Kind of full with a bunch of cars and bikes. But check it out. We got a lift, guys. Finally got a lift. And we're getting another one. And we're going to put it right over there where my car is. Right there. We're going to put another lift in. But check that out, guys. We got a lift in the shop. It's amazing. I never thought this would ever happen. So we finally got one and it's awesome. And I hope you guys enjoy all the new content we're going to bring you with this new lift. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. The likes help. Share the video if you can. That'd be awesome. I'm just hanging out today at the shop. Had a couple people here, but they left. Now I'm making a video for you. Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. Our own lift for the shop. It's so awesome. So awesome. I hope you guys enjoy this video. But check this out. Blue and yellow, baby. That's when you know you did it. It's freaking perfect. It's brand new, guys. So we still gotta run the power to it, but it's here, it's installed. It was installed this morning by two guys. It didn't take them very long, but it's here finally. And I'm so excited. Now we can do things and be off the floor and not worry about being on the floor all the time, guys. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I just want to make a quick video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.